Bean Tots.
The beans play tag in a sunny clearing.
Tag! You can't catch me!
The puffy clouds drift overhead.
Oops! Rain!
More drops fall, and the beans glance at each other nervously.
Quick, under here.
Maybe we can hide here? Grab a leaf. Whee! That was fun! Look, an umbrella!
There's shelter. Hurry, hurry!
The beans sprint through the tall grass, dodging puddles.
Got you. Thanks.
The beans arrive at a big tree just as the rain pours.
All safe! Phew, that was close.
The rain eases and sunlight peeks through. The beans peek out.
Wow, a rainbow.
Yay, so pretty!
Best adventure ever.